Yummy.
This is so yummy.
It's so hot.
Kasi na ako uupo. Nakatayo lang ako. Si Ate Filipino. My mouth is kinda hurting me.
Yes. Hello. Me.
In here,
Me.
this is my mother and this is my little sister. Told you.
It's so hot. It's not good.
Then don't eat. I'm sorry.
It's my baby brother. This. Hey, mom. This is my brother. Cool. Saren. Yes, it's baby Saren. Yes. Mm. It's so hot. So big.
Mom, he cannot see. Face hiding. Why don't you want to see your face? Ganun. Tunggal mo. Kainin ka tabaga ito. Sorry, I'm Filipino. I'm just talking like English.
I know it. It's so hot. Not good.
That's my mother. There.
Nestle's creamy milk chocolate with crunchies tastes just as good as it sounds. Nestle Crunch Bliss. creamy milk chocolate with crunchies tastes just as good as it sounds.
Chocolates, crunchies, very crunchies. That's why I love Nestle Crunch. Chocolates,
I want milk.
very crunchies.
Quickly.
Ako muna.
Chocolates, scrumptious, very crunchies. That's why I love Nestle Crunch.
Bye, guys.
Milk chocolate with crunchies tastes just as good as it
Bye
sounds.
bye.